Me shy. Shy. Hi, my Donnas. Wanna hear my son, Bride? Me shy. Me afraid. Me kind of afraid of insult. So, what me I gonna do right now is not something that me normally do. Even if me do a video, it's like me feel like me a beg enough to like the video. So it's like me don't know for some reason me forgot cause me is not a beggar. So me can't remember for telling if I like the video cause it's just in a me. That shame tree that easy for dry up, you know. Me not like when people insult me, you know. So me is not really a beggar, but today me actually a beg or know something. And me just have to just be brave and put on me big girl pants and just, you know, be tough. So me know a couple of you guys very well that purchased my book. A couple of you well purchased my book. My life and goal planner and also my autobiography. I know people that purchased both of them. So I am asking you, please, if you purchase my autobiography, I Wasn't Okay by Donna Edwards Hawthorne, please, I am asking you to go over on Amazon and hit that you know where that star is, the stars on your left hand corner, just hit on the stars. If not, once you go on the book and scroll down, you see where to write a review, or you just hit the stars on top of the book itself and it take you to the review section. You could write a review, leave your honest feedback in the comment section and hit those star button for me, please. I will truly appreciate it. Also, my life and goal planner, law of attraction, if you purchase this too, it have it where you could leave the review as well. So I am begging you, I know a couple of you very well, and someone reached out to me like 2 days ago and said they don't know how to leave the review, but that is how you leave it. Just go back on Amazon. I know some of you will put it in the comment section under my page on Facebook. I thank you for that too, but the one on Amazon is way more important to me than the one on Facebook. All of them are important, but I'm just saying the one on Amazon, it will help it to grow, to pop it up in the algorithm. So I am begging, please go and leave your honest feedback. It will help my book to reach where my goal is, and I can't do it by myself. So I have to ask you. If I could do it by myself, I would be over on Amazon every day leaving the review, but I can't. So there's some things that you need your supporters to help you do, and this is one of them. Okay? I am very, when it comes to begging, I am very skeptic on it. I'm not gonna lie, because I have one shame tree inside of me where just easy for just dry down. It easily dry down and get in and easily embarrassed. So I'm just not the kind of person that likes to beg. But today I am begging you. If you purchase any of my books, please go and leave me your honest review on them. With this, as I said, my autobiography is my I grew up in Jamaica. This being a single mother, a lot. It have like 20 chapters, I believe. Yeah, 20 chapters in here. Different story, different storylines. My life and goal planner. Every page have something on there to look forward to in the morning for you to write your goals. It motivates you to write your goals in the morning. You get up, you have this at your side table or somewhere close in your room. When you get up, you open this book, and trust me, it inspires you to do better, to do your daily achievements and get them done. So if you purchase any of them, they're valuable. So I appreciate you and thank you so much for any one of you who share my book, who post my book, who sent me a photo. It's mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. May your store basket never go dry, never go empty. You're contributing to me. I beg God to bless you abundantly. Thank you. And if you're contributing to anyone else, growth, thank you. Bye, guys.